You are standing at a crossroads where your career meets your creativity, staring at two paths that look almost identical from a distance, but lead to very different worlds. On one side, you have the massive, battle-tested library built by the team behind the world's biggest social networks. On the other, a streamlined, highly organized framework that promises to take the pain out of the process. Is the classic debate between React and Nuxt, and the choice you make right now defines how you spend the next 1,000 hours of your life. If you are new to this, the wall of complexity can feel vertical. One of these options asks you to learn a whole new way of writing, blending your logic and your layout into a single, complex soup. It is brilliant once you master it. But those first few weeks, they are brutal. The alternative feels like coming home. It uses the languages you already know, keeping your styles and your structure in their own neat little boxes. It is intuitive. It is clean. But do not let that simplicity fool you into thinking it is less capable. When you look at the sheer speed of building, the difference is staggering. One choice gives you a toolbox where every tool is already organized, the drawers are labeled, and the lights are already on. You get routing, server handling, and data management the moment you open the lid. The other is a massive, empty workshop. You have the best tools in the world, but you have to find them first. Then you have to mount them to the wall, and then you have to figure out how they all fit together. That flexibility is a double-edged sword. You can build anything, but you have to build everything. This is why the job market looks the way it does. The big industry standard is everywhere. It is the safe harbor for your career. If you want to walk into almost any tech hub and find a desk, that is your path. It has a community so large that every problem you encounter has already been solved and posted online a dozen times. The other choice, the one built on the Vue ecosystem, has a smaller following. It is a dedicated group, people who value elegance and speed over sheer market dominance. You might have to search a bit longer for the right role, but the work itself often feels more cohesive. When it comes to performance, it is a tie that depends on your skill. One gives you a head start, optimizing your site for search engines and fast loading without you lifting a finger. The other gives you the potential for perfection, but you have to be the one to tune the engine. You have to be the one to trim the bloat. It comes down to what you value more: the freedom to customize every single gear, or the ability to hit the ground running with a system that just works. Your future self is waiting at the end of this project, and they are either going to thank you for the simplicity or reward you for the raw power you harnessed. Choose the tool that matches your energy, not just the one that is trending on a chart today. Every project has a soul, and the framework you pick is the skeleton that holds it up. If you want to be part of the 40%, the massive wave of developers moving the needle for global corporations, you know where to go. But if you want to feel the wind in your sails and get a prototype into the hands of users by tomorrow morning, there is a different door to open. Both of these paths lead to success, but only one will feel like it was made for your specific brain. Make the call and start building.